Hey guys, Ken here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this Ozark drill outdoor equipment multi-tool. When you first open it up, it has these pliers with wire cutters and regular pliers at the back. Pretty tight clamp. Then on this first side here we have a really good file. Actually use this to take out some rust. We have a flathead screwdriver, and we have, it's hard to get out here, let me see it. Okay, and then we have this smaller screwdriver, and then we have a serration saw. And that's all in the first one. First here we have a knife. It comes really sharp at the factory edge, but it just wasn't sharp enough for me. Ooh, close there. Next we have, let's see my finger. So, a Phillips head screwdriver, a awl, and a bottle opener, and can opener. Yeah, and that's all. Now I'm going to show y'all, just tell y'all a couple things I've already used this for. I've only had it for about 2 days now, and it comes with about, I'd say about 3 inches of belt loop size, so fit on pretty much any belt. So far what I've used this for is the first thing I've used it for was to clip off some zip ties. I just used a needle nose pliers, gripped on and twisted, and it popped them right off. The next thing I used it for is on my axe. I was going to make a paracord handle, and there was a leather ring on it that was the handle before. There was a whole bunch of them, but I broke a bunch of those off a while back because they were really hurting my hands when I gripped it and used it. So I just took that last one, twisted it, gave it a real nice twist, popped right off. And then also with that paracord bracelet, I used it to grip the paracord to melt it together with a lighter. And on my bike, I used it to take off some more zip ties and cut a couple of cables that were messed up and didn't work anymore. And this is mainly the belt I've used it on. Just about, sorry about that, about an inch thick of belt. Just usual like rings to clip it on. Yeah. And then it comes with this really nice sheath. So far it's done really well. I noticed it could do a better stitch job on the belt loop because the stitch is coming out slowly, but they are coming out. It's really like thick material and some foam on the inside, so it's really soft. And then on the inside it's really thick, so like ain't nothing. Like I even tried to like take a kitchen knife and poke through it, could not do it. So yeah, it's a really good knife sheath, and really digging it so far. I'm making it my EDC, so it's not big enough. I'll always carry it on me. So I right in the sheath. See, it's a little heavy. I'm not exactly sure how much it weighs exactly, but it just pokes out just a little bit there. And then just fold it over and clip it on. I will be doing an outdoor review later on because I didn't do it this time. I was planning on doing an outdoor review for the first review, but I decided not to because it's dark right now. Hang on. I was looking around to see if maybe I could find a piece of paper. What I found was this paper plate. About paper thin, really. So I'm going to take out my knife. And to sharpen it, I just take it and push it like this, and then just draw it through, and then on my whetstone I'll just usually. Okay, but when I'm finished with it, close that down. Got a nice sturdy handle. It's a really deep cut. So now I'm going to do a second test. Just minimalist. Yeah. Not very much at all. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna have to do a lot more sharpening with it, but I expected it. It's a $4 Walmart knife, and I have put this thing through heck already. It's I forgot to shut this when I was riding my bike, and I had it on my side on my belt, and I ramped and it slammed onto some concrete, and yeah, so it's really durable for the price. It's only $4. Anybody can afford it. I even afforded it. All I had on me was $10, and I bought this and a $2 rain poncho for my survival bag. So, thanks for watching. Next review. Peace.